So that is the equation to getting I for the interest rate. So is anyone can tell me what's the number for this?
But
I got 0.059 like after you.
0.059. Is that
Yeah, that's what I got.
okay? Any different number you have?
I have a question.
Go
Why
ahead.
did you use 330?
You have 330.
No, I'm saying why did you use 330 for the where it says 440 over 330?
Because we had this 5 year ago, the number here is 330, and the current year here, this is 440. So we convert it to here is your present, here is your future.
it says 3 years ago.
We are working on I. We are finding I. Do you know the I for this one? So you are using the F is equal to P1 plus I n squared here. You don't know this I yet. So our first step is find I.
No, but I'm trying to figure out why you used one from 5 years ago when it says 3 years ago.
Using the maximum one. So you will have the different number between those by using the one with a maximum year difference. You using those number may give you the number is varies difference, but using that number will give you more accurate results. We have mentioned that in class we were using those numbers. Does that make sense to you now?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, good. Thank you. So is anyone getting a different number for I? So if you want to keep it 4 decimal place, this number
I have a
will
question.
be. Go ahead.
So the only thing y'all doing, so you put 440, 330, and you square root it.
It's not square root. It's 5.
It's what? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Here is 5.
Oh, okay.
Because your year difference here is 5. So here, the root here, you need to use the number of the year difference. Because you have current year, you have 5 years later, so the year difference is 5. So you are putting 5 here, and you're getting I. The exact number for our case is 0.0592. So keep 4 decimal place. All right. So so once you get in that one, you will have the second. You have the second one is reading from the primary question. So so you know a cost of a similar project. So that project is 3 years ago here. So now you are using the 3 years ago. And you know your building will be construction 5 years from now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one you know it's, and you're going to find in that one you unknown. So again, we need to convert this one into a node as a better vision. So you will change this -3 here, +3, you get 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here is your future value, and here is your present value here. So so you get the year difference here is 8. Is that any question here? To getting this year difference 8, which is different to here is 5. Any question here? So if no question here, now we will using our time adjustment factory, which is equal to 1 plus I n difference here, and putting the number, you will get 1 plus 0.0592 and 8 square here, and this number will be equal to 1.58425, and you can run up it to 1.5847. Or you can keep using this one because you are getting this exact number better. Okay. So so this is for the time adjustment. Any question? So if no question for that one, we are moving to the location adjustment. Okay, so the location adjustment. So that is easy. So you are using the, so we know so tell me which city will put it in over the bar and which city is underneath the bar. Who can tell me that one?
The city
Madison?
A and city F.
Okay, so which one is over the bar?
F.
F?
City D.
Yes, city D is here because we were doing a project 5 years from now in city D, right? And the 3 year ago is in city A, so A is here. And then you are getting this number is equal to 119 over 109, right?
Okay, why you choose D and A?
Because you have a project you constructing the 3 year ago in the city A, so you need so your no project is city A. You're going to propose a new one. This new one is in city D, so you needed to put in D over the A. So I explained this one before. If you forgot or if you did not attend in the class, you need to go back to see this lecture notes. Okay. So and also this is combined with a video recording as well. You can go back to that one, and here we'll tell you how to do the combined adjustment.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Okay, we're getting number here is excuse me 1.0917. Are good with this now? So if no question for this one, that will be the last one we have is size adjustment. That is very easy. We are going to propose a new project which has the square footage is 18,000, right? And our similar project here is 120. Sorry, it's $12,000. Oh. So that will be the size adjustment factoring, because our proposed one has more space than the similar project we constructed before. So so we're finding out those. We are going to make a conclusion here is a cost for your proposed project, right? That is equal to your knowing project, which is 1,368,000 times with your time adjustments 1.58143 times with your location adjustment 10917 times with your size adjustments. So so this size adjustment you can make a number here, or you can just write down. I think that is 1.5, right? So this one is equal to 1.5. So getting your cost over here is
I got
uh-huh.
35,495,
You get the
468.
final. You get a final number.
Yeah, 35,495, 468.
So I get my number is 3,435,490,99. So that is the number I have here.
Where you have 1.5843, it's supposed to be 1.5845.
This one.
Yeah,
What number you have?
1.5845.
I know what issue comes from you. You have this one. You did not keep 4 decimal place. You have its original number is larger than this one. So so you have this one is 0.059224, and make you getting this number large.
No, I have all the same numbers as you except for the I.
Yes. So if you're getting I is this one, then you will make you this one coming to 1.5845 and 36. You have this one for the time adjustment. So if you have this one for time adjustment, you definitely were getting a large number for this.
Dr.
Does that
Yu,
make sense?
I really I really can't read your handwriting at the bottom. So could you let me know what that bottom number says?
Oh, you don't really need to know the number. You need to understand the whole process. You can get in the
No,
video.
I of course understand the process. I'm just trying to make sure I got the same number as you.
Or
So
you don't really need to get in the same number as me, because right now we are debating which is the correct number. So it really depends on how you do your rounds up and how you keep your decimal place. So so there's a couple of ways you can do this.
so
We
what was
do
the
it.
number you said? What was the number at the bottom?
Which one?
At the bottom.
It's 35,495,468.
All right, good luck.
This is a correct number, not this one. This one with a box, 3549099. That's the correct number. So so I mean that what happened is that is really happened and understanding this. So to
Wait,
make
I'm
it
still confused because I put it in the calculator like exactly how you have it written, and I still do
so
not get what you have.
you're getting this I, right? Sorry.
No, okay, for the time adjustment factor, yes, for
Yes.
I have that.
So if you have I here, time adjustment factor, you should have this one.
But that's what I'm saying. When I put that exactly how you have it written, parentheses 1 plus 0.0592 parentheses
Yes.
8, I get 1.5842. You want us to round that?
You needed to round up, yes.
Okay.
Because the last one is 25, so you need to round up to 30 if you want to keep 4 decimal place. Yes, round up. So this one, I have this number here, right? And you need to round up it. So make here, change the 2 to 3 and drop the 5. So that's the time adjustment factory.
Dr. Yuan, I think for the final answer, you missed the number. 'Cause I
Yeah,
got
that's also what I was confused.
35490987.96 with all those numbers.
Give me seconds.
I got the
I
same
got
number
the,
as
I got
him.
the same number too.
Three five four nine 099. No, this one. 3549099. Why I'm missing a number? Oh, probably because I did not type in 4. Okay, I got you. Yes. 3549098. So that's a number.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's correct. That's a number.
Hey,
So-
I got one more thing, Johan. I'm still
Okay, go ahead.
I'm
Go
still
ahead.
stuck on the because you said how do we get 0.058? I still don't. Hey, I try to put that in my calculator and it says error every time I try to put that in. I must be doing it wrong, but
Oh, you are using your calculator getting this I?
yeah, I'm trying to understand how to put that in the calculator to get it.
Uh,
I understand the
okay.
numbers, but I just don't understand how to put it in.
Okay, you don't know how to put in this equation into your calculator.
Yeah.
Which kind of calculator you have is
The graphing calculator.
the graphic? Okay, I'm not sure how your calculator looks like, but I can share with you how to use an Excel to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen, and you will see there is a Excel table over there. And then I will teach you how to use an Excel to do this.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So so I normally I don't have a calculator. I'm not as smart as yours. So the way we can do is using Excel to solve the question, you can see from here. So here is the equation. So we're using the block over here and using the 440 over the 330. So that is the thing underneath the road sign, right? And we using the power sign here. That is the up arrow, and you can get in this one using the shift and the shift and the 6. The 6 in the cable, and you will see there's a up sign over here. So that is a power sign in the Excel. And for here, so normally we do a power sign here is the number like 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But if we want to make it like the roads, so we need to using the 1 divided by. So you are using 1 divided by 5 here, and or you can type in 0.2 if you can, right? And then you make sure you have a block here. So that means this one will be calculated first, and then will be put in the power sign here, and then you are getting the number. And then don't forget to -1. So that is the way we can do it with it. Does that make sense to you now, Bob?
Yeah, no, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, can you stay right there? I'm gonna write this down on my paper.
Yeah, you can write down this equation. Yeah. So normally we're doing the quiz is using the Excel, but for this one, we're not yet doing it yet. So I hope everyone can understand how to using Excel to do this from now. And the next time we running this quiz, we will using Excel instead of handwriting or the calculator. Okay.
All right. Thank
Yeah, I think that is the most challenging part to getting the eye with the Excel, because we not really know how to do this one. So let me copy this one and put in here, and you are able to see it. So that is the equation. Zoom in here to getting it, and here is the equation. How to use it to finding the time factory, time adjustment factory. Okay, and this one is how to find I. So next time we will do the quiz is using Excel, okay? So so this time we don't know, and this is the size adjustment. And this is easy. And another thing, if you want to show an equation as a text in the Excel, you can use the up comma. So that is the one besides your enter, you can type in, and you can type in anything, and you will see that is here, right? So I'm going to copy this one and put it here. So another thing important that we did not put in here is the round up. So definitely you can do is round, ROUND, and make sure you have block here, and keep this one in 4 decimal place. And you will see exactly this number here, and the same here. So we can do the round up. And 4 decimal place. And you will see this number. So that's exactly the round up number, right? So let me put in this one back to here. Probably more space here. I'm gonna remove this one down here. All right, so the size adjustment we are doing the same way. So you can type in the lowercase, it will be automatically fixed to the uppercase for all those, right? And the last one we have is size adjustment. Oh, actually, this is a location adjustment, sorry. The last one we have is size adjustment. that will be equal to round. So the number we have here is 118, 2,000, and make sure you have type in 4 decimal place, right? So because this one is only have 1 decimal place, the round up will not make sense here, so it will only show 1 here. So the last one we have is using those things, the cost is equal to that. And this is a big number, and you want to convert it into only the number without using the scientific model. Just go to the number and put in 0 decimal place, and you will see this number here. Okay, so here's your step 1. Here's your step 2. And you are finding the location is step 3, and the size adjustment is step. This is step 4, and getting your cost is step 5. Any question with this one?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Sounds good. So just make sure you are getting this. This is important, and that is easy. So the others is